Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best ceramic coating for black cars that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have the Cerakote Ceramic Trim Coat Kit. Now, this product is a bit niche because it's designed specifically for restoring and protecting the plastic trim on your car, but it does its job exceptionally well. Unlike conventional trim dressings that wash off after a few car washes, this ceramic coating bonds chemically to the plastic surface, offering protection that lasts for over 200 washes. That's a durability claim you don't hear every day. It's perfect for those of you looking to rejuvenate faded plastic trim and keep it looking brand new for the long haul. In terms of application, the Cerakote kit is incredibly straightforward. It comes with pre-saturated wipes that make the process hassle-free. Just ensure your trim is clean and dry. Wipe it down with the provided applicators, and you're done. The coating provides a rich, darkened finish that enhances the overall look of your black car. Plus, it offers protection against harmful UV rays, which is a bonus if your car is frequently exposed to sunlight. While it's not a full-body ceramic coating, it's a fantastic option for those who want to focus on their car's trim pieces. On the downside, its functionality is limited to plastic and doesn't work on paint or glass. However, if you value a long-lasting, low-maintenance solution for your car's trim, Cerakote is worth considering. It's a niche product with high performance in its category, but not a full solution for paint protection. Coming in at number 3, we have the Dronar 20H Advanced Graphene Ceramic Coating. This product is a powerhouse when it comes to long-term protection, boasting a 20H hardness rating and a lifespan of over 10 years. That's right, 10+ years of protection against water, dirt, UV rays, and other environmental contaminants. The inclusion of graphene, a material commonly used in aerospace, takes its performance to the next level, offering unparalleled smoothness and hydrophobicity. The Dronar coating promises ultra-high gloss and shine, making your black car's paint pop like never before. It's designed to minimize swirl marks and scratches during washing and daily use, which is a significant advantage if you're meticulous about your car's appearance. The kit comes with everything you need, including a crystal plating cloth, towels, gloves, and a sponge, making the application process relatively straightforward. However, this is a product that requires a bit of expertise to apply correctly, so it's best suited for experienced DIYers or professionals. The downside? It's not the most budget-friendly option, and it requires careful preparation and application for optimal results. But if you're looking for the ultimate in durability and performance, the Dronar 20H Advanced Graphene Ceramic Coating is hard to beat. It's perfect for those who want a premium, long-lasting solution for their black car. At number 2, we have the Turtle Wax 53409 Hybrid Solution Ceramic Spray Coating. This product is the budget-friendly option on our list, but don't let the price fool you. It punches well above its weight. Packed with SiO2 polymers, it offers extreme hydrophobicity, meaning water, dirt, and road contaminants slide right off your car's surface. This keeps your car cleaner for longer and makes washing a breeze. The spray-on formula is incredibly easy to use, even for beginners. Simply spray it onto a clean, dry surface, spread it with a microfiber cloth, and buff to a shine. The result is a brilliant, mirror-like gloss that enhances the depth of your black car's paint. It's not just for paint either. You can use it on glass, trim, and wheels for a uniform finish. Plus, it smells great, with a tropical, fruity fragrance that makes application a pleasure. The only drawback is its durability. While it claims to last up to 6 months, it's not as long-lasting as some of the more premium options on this list. Still, at just $12.98, it's an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their car's appearance without breaking the bank. It's ideal for casual users who want a quick, affordable way to achieve a high-gloss finish. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Turtle Wax 53448 Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Acrylic Black Polish and Wax. This product is specifically designed for black and dark-colored cars, and it excels at both restoring and protecting your car's paint. The formula is infused with black pigmented carnauba wax that fills in swirl marks, light scratches, and minor blemishes, leaving behind a deep, high-gloss black finish that's simply stunning. What sets this product apart is its combination of polishing and protection. The ceramic-infused compound provides long-lasting water repellency and shields your car from contaminants like dirt and road grime. Application is a breeze, whether you choose to apply it by hand or with a machine polisher. For best results, let the product cure for 24 hours, and you'll enjoy a durable, glossy finish that lasts. While it's the most expensive product on our list at $17.99, the value it offers is unmatched. It's perfect for black car owners who want to restore their car's appearance and protect it in one step. The only downside is that it's not as versatile as some other options. It's tailored specifically for black or dark-colored vehicles. But if you fall into that category, this is hands down the best ceramic coating product you can buy. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.